The ReliaBilt 3500 double hung family is the ideal choice for homeowners who want exceptional performance features and a full range of deluxe enhancements. Both sashes open easily with our constant force balance system and tilt in for easy cleaning and maintenance. All welded sashes may be ordered with energy efficiency enhancing low E glass with argon gas to help lower heating and cooling costs throughout the year. Aluminum reinforced multi-cavity construction enhances thermal protection and results in design pressure ratings that are available to meet even strict coastal building requirements. Optional grids come between the panes so they never need cleaning and may be ordered in flat or contoured styles in a variety of patterns. The series is standard in white or almond, and a bronze exterior is optional on white models. The half screen is standard, but an optional full screen is available. 3 jam adjusters on each side and sizing to the nearest 1/8 inch make for a great fit, and pre-drilled installation holes, head expander, and sill angles are also included to make installation easy. Complimentary 2 or 3 light sliders, special shapes, and picture windows are also available to meet any architecture style. Compared to any double hung on the market, no other provides the same level of superior technology, precision craftsmanship, and added value features. From its standard 25-year glass breakage warranty to its worry-free performance, the 3500 series will keep your home energy efficient and looking beautiful, all at a great value.